Practice 8.3, greater than and less than, where the explanation speed is fast. A, what relationship is shown on each number line? The first one is done for you. So that's what's written here. This is the answer. Write similar answers down here, please. And then in B, draw each relationship on a number line. So you got a number line, take the x equals 6, and put in a 0, a 6, and draw in this relationship. Take a moment to do that while the video is paused. Okay, I'm back. Hey, what's the relationship? Well, in the first case, I drew x is greater than -3 because there was an open circle, meaning -3 is not included, but everything above 3, 0, 10, a million, are all numbers that make this statement true. They're all the answer. Well, in the next one, 3 is not part of the answer, but everything else is. And so because everything else is, we say x is not equal to 3 is the answer. Following that, we have x is just simply 3. Here, x can be 3 in the next one and everything above it. So x is greater than and or equal to 3, or really. The next one, open circle, x is less than -3, but not equal to it. Look, I've got mistakes all the way down here. This should be negative, negative, negative. I lost my negative, but now I have found it. Okay, and then in the last one, we have x is less than -3, but it's also equal to -3, so we write x is less than or equal to -3. Over to B. In order to do this, I'm going to put a 0 on all of the lines here. These are zeros. And then x is equal to 6. So there's a 6, and I'll fill it in. That's the answer, solid on the 6. X is less than or equal to 4. So I pop in a 4, and I fill it, and then draw an arrow less than 4. Go past 0 if you want. It doesn't matter. Just put an arrow on the end. So it goes right down to -infinity. Now with x is less than 3, that means we need to put a -3 here and an open circle, followed by an arrow to the left. X is greater than -2. So here's my -2 and open circle, and the arrow going to the right all the way to infinity, but I can't draw that far, so I'll just put an arrow on it. X is not equal to +5. So here's my 5. Open circle to not include 5, and then arrows going off in both directions. That was not a very good arrow. Oh well. Arrows going off in both directions. And finally, x is greater than -7. So I'll mark this as being -7. Put an open circle on it. Oh, x is greater than or equal to. So I will fill that circle in, and then everything above it. There it is. Hope that worked for you. Thanks very much.